I remember you were just missing by 1 or 2 points every time, right? And it's heartbreaking when you just miss by 1 or 2 points. What are few of the things which you followed which helped you get 86 in reading this time?
I always follow all the guidelines that all the teachers give me always. A special thanks to the special reading classes. Those classes really help me a lot.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. What a great day. I've got Ravi with me, one of our on-campus students. 84 overall in PT with 90 in speaking, 86 reading, 83 listening, and 79 writing. Congratulations, Ravi. Very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. It's all your effort and other teachers. Everybody helped me.
Ravi, I've seen you working so much in the lab. You have spent number of hours in the lab. You have really worked hard for this. I remember you were just missing by 1 or 2 points every time, right? And it's heartbreaking when you just miss by 1 or 2 points. Ravi, I remember you were struggling in the reading module. Let's talk about reading module. What are few of the things which you followed which helped you get 86 in reading this time?
I always follow all the guidelines that all the teachers give me always. And a special thanks to the special reading classes. Those classes really help me a lot. I always used to attend all the classes on time. I always focus on practice plus the rules that we all apply in the special reading classes. That really helped me a lot to achieve my desired score.
That's right. Special reading class is very important. Even if you're practicing online or you're studying on campus with us, make sure you attend the special reading sessions, because reading is one module where you need to develop your understanding of the passage, understanding of the grammar rules, and other factors which help you crack the reading module. Very, very important you practice in the special reading sessions and improve and make sure you learn the grammar rules as well. Ravi, you have spent a number of hours in the lab as well. How different is it studying in the lab as compared to studying by yourself at home?
I tried myself, to be honest, first at home, but it
Hmm.
didn't work out for me. So I came to the Language Academy campus, and I came to you straight away because I have seen a lot of videos. Because I know, because someone experienced person can guide me in the right way.
Correct, correct.
So I always used to came on time. I always focus on practice in the labs. Always talk to the all the tutors.
Hmm.
Really help me out. And I would say it is recommended for everybody if they are like to achieve their desired score.
Hmm.
Please attend special reading classes if someone is struggling into the reading module.
That's right.
Yeah.
See, very important, as Ravi has mentioned, it's important to note that when you practice by yourself, you might feel you're doing it the right way. But when you ask an expert or a teacher who has been teaching PT for a number of years now, the way they assess your answers or your response is completely different, because you might be feeling that yes, I'm following the template, everything is in place, I don't really need to worry about it. But it's not just the templates or the tricks or the shortcuts which are going to help you get over the line. It is very important to know how you have to implement the strategies, how you have to focus and follow the templates, and what are the strategies which you need to implement in different scenarios, which will help you crack your PT test. And this is possible when you have someone who is guiding you, monitoring you, and telling you your mistakes. Ravi, lastly, let's talk about mock test. I remember you used to do mock test in the afternoon around 2 to 4:30. You have done a lot of mock tests. How important are mock tests?
I think mock tests are really a good way of like how you achieve the score. This will really help you in the classroom because the classroom is designed in such a way it really feels like I'm in the real time exam.
Hmm.
So giving the mock test, whether it is sessional mock test or full mock test, they will really help the students to get the score. Because the mock test, because there are a number of students sitting with you next chair, and you will have the same pressure on
Hmm.
the exam. So you will get very used to the exam, and there's a lot of questions, a lot of scenarios, a lot of different modules, and a lot of uh, items, a lot of tasks that are interconnected in all the four modules.
Correct.
So in way you will get a better understanding, you will get the better experience,
Hmm.
and this is how everything work out for you. So make sure you practice and make sure you give time to yourself.
Correct, correct. Very important. You take the mock test, and especially as Ravi has mentioned, when you take the mock test in the mock test room is designed exactly how you will take the test when you are actually going for the real PS and PT test. And when you have that same environment, you are nervous, you are under the time pressure. And when you feel that you are in the real time environment, you get to know how you have to handle your nervousness, how you have to perform under time pressure, and whatever mistakes you are likely to make in the actual test, you make those in the mock test, you improve in the mock test, and when you go for the actual test, you are more confident, you know how to handle the nerves and how to manage the time, and you perform a lot better. That is what Ravi did, attended the special reading sessions, spent time in the lab, and took a lot of mock tests in the real exam environment, and result is in front of you, 84 overall. Congratulations once again, Ravi. All the very best.
Thank you so much. And I would recommend one more for everybody.
Yep.
And if you are like trying a number of times, just make sure you practice a lot, because for the second or third attempt I felt very nervous, like oh my god, I just left behind with 1 mark. And that's natural pressure, so you can't avoid that pressure. It will be the pressure on you next time. Correct. So make sure is a lot, you give mock test, so the body get used to the condition, to the scenario. So that's every point needs to be on the top. So this is how you go.
That's right, that's right. It's very important to note that when especially students miss by 1 or 2 points, they are even more nervous because they feel, what if next time you even get a lower score? And that is part of the process. You don't have to worry about it, getting a higher score or lower score. The only thing you can control is working hard. Just make sure you keep on working hard, keep on practicing, take the feedback. Don't stress if you'll get a lower score than your current attempt or whatever it is. Just give you 100%, understand the test, and you'll be able to crack it. Congratulations and all the very best, Ravi.
Thank you so much. All the credit goes to the Language Academy team.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Guys, remember this thing. If Ravi has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard and smart in the right direction. Very important, you work, put your efforts in the right direction, under the right guidance, and success will be yours. That's it from this video. Remember, it's not difficult. You have to play it smart, and you need to understand what the computer is looking for, and you are going to crack it. Varun from Language Academy, if you need any help, you can give us a call or contact us on these numbers. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.